edition of As Told by Bree. I am, of course, Bree, and listen, y'all, it's cold in Atlanta. It's gotta be like 40 degrees. I don't know where the cold came from. It was warm last weekend, so now it's like freezing. Anywho, aside from that, your girl is getting ready to go on a trip. I leave tomorrow morning, and I haven't packed anything. I don't know why I wait till the last minute to do everything. I mean, luckily I went and got my nails done yesterday, so I don't have to do that. I went and, well, my hair's been done. I planned for it. I was like, okay, I need something that's gonna last me until, at least until like my trip. Yeah, I'm not in the best of moods. I just feel like I got so much to do and not enough time. So I'm a little stressed, a little anxious, a little like on edge, but it's okay. We're gonna get everything done. I gotta go to Best Buy and get an SD card and an external hard drive because I plan to vlog the whole trip. It's gonna be an interesting weekend. It's gonna be fun. Going with a group of my friends. We're going down there for the Saints Falcons game, and then FAMU also plays Southern that Saturday. So the day before they're playing Southern in Baton Rouge. So I'm going to Baton Rouge and New Orleans. It's just gonna be a good time. Yeah. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get to packing because I'm ready to get home and relax. Think about it, make sure y'all pay y'all parking meters or they will give you a ticket. Okay, we're good to go. I think I paid for an hour and a half. I really like this. It's so untraditional, but I think it would go really well with these camo pants that I have. And maybe some black boots or possibly some leather pants, like black leather pants or black leather shorts with maybe some black boots. But okay, yes, I like this. I'm about to get it. We got it. Okay, now we're going to H&M. Okay, so I'm about to show y'all every single thing that I got. First things first, I got a new SD card, which is here in the camera right now. So now I have 2 SD cards, which is a great thing. I went to, H&M. So I'm not quite sure how the weather is going to be. I checked the temperature, and the high is like 70, and the low is like 50 something. So should be okay, but it might get kind of cool at night. You know what? This is going to bother me, but whatever. So I got this shirt. It's like a high neck shirt. I don't think it's a turtleneck. I saw it on the mannequin. I was like, that's really cute. It's like a high neck shirt. Has a cute little cut under the arm here. And I got it with these leather pants. Y'all, please pray for me that these leather pants fit. They should. They're size 6, and typically I wear like a 5. So, got these leather pants. Let me get closer so I can show y'all the actual color. My ring light might be a little too bright, but they're like this camel color. So like a light brown, medium brown type of color. It's gonna be so cute, and I can either wear this with some black boots or, yeah, black boots, honestly. High boots, over the knee boots, knee high boots, ankle boots, whatever, you name it. You can kind of wear it with whatever. And then we're going to accessorize it with all gold, gold necklace, gold watch, gold earrings. I feel like it's more fitting for an updo, especially given the neckline. I think that we should go with like the classy, sophisticated look. And if I get cold, I can always throw a jacket on. I have a black leather jacket that I can wear. I was in H&M, I was getting ready to check out, and I was like, these panties are kind of cute. So I picked up a pack of panties. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pack of 5. Yep, 5. So they're just like lace, casual, You can never have enough pairs of black underwear. I got this little shirt to go with like some black sweatpants in case we're just like lounging around. Kind of like just a cute little lounge set. I already have the black sweatpants, so like that's something that I can just kind of like throw on if we're making breakfast or whatever the case might be. I also got an external hard drive. I told you guys that I was going to get an external hard drive because I need to take my content up and I needed to get a hard drive. And I also got an adapter for my MacBook. Forever 21, I got this fedora to go with my game day fit. Oh, I did not try this on when I was in the store, but it should be fine. Yep. Cute. You can never go wrong with a black fedora. I do have one black fedora already, but it's a Keith and James fedora. Keith James. And it has the red underneath. I'm sure you guys have seen me wear it a couple times. If you've watched my Kanye vlog where I went to the Kanye concert, I wore it there. And I felt like the red was kind of clashing with the rest of the outfit that I plan to wear it with. So I was like, okay, just forget it. Don't even wear it at all. I got these cute little black boots for game day. They're casual, so you can kind of like dress an outfit up with these. They're not like stilettos. Like, I would not recommend wearing these to the club, but if you just want to elevate an outfit a little bit and take it from looking so casual, I would recommend it. I also got these boots. Now these are a little bit more dressy. They're like that same kind of camel color, like a dark light brown, medium brown. Super cute, right? Forever 21. Forever 21. And I am gonna wear it with this white dress that I'll show y'all in a sec. Trying to put everything back in the bag so that everything does not end up all over the place. Y'all know how that can go, and to go quickly. Okay. Oh, I got this button-down shirt from H&M as well. You know, you can never go wrong with a plain white button-down shirt. And I got this to go underneath my sweater for my FAMU game day outfit. It's a black crew neck that I'm wearing. I'm going to wear this underneath so you'll see it popped around the collar. And then when I roll my sleeves up, you'll also see it. Like, the crew neck is black, but you'll see the white from this. And then you'll also see it like under the sweatshirt. But y'all will see the vision come together. I'm also wearing that with this fedora. This with that fedora. I got a shirt from the team store. So for the Falcons game, I got a shirt from the team store, and it is so cute, y'all. So for the Falcons upcoming home game, they actually have, I guess it's like Military Appreciation Day or something like that. So they've created all of this camo army fatigue type of paraphernalia, and I was like, this is so cute, and I think it would go really well with my camo pants. This is gonna be such a cute game day fit, y'all. Like, I'm really excited. And this is actually a kid's shirt. Believe it or not, I can still fit kids clothes. And I just got some toothpaste and like just stuff, you know, like toiletries. This is the white dress I was telling y'all about. This also came from H&M. It's like a button down but not button down dress. Really cute fitted dress. Very chic, but still really cute. So I'm gonna wear this with those brown boots that y'all saw. I should have picked up this brown snakeskin bag that I was looking at in Forever 21, but I was like, it's giving cheap. It's giving, I got it from Forever 21, so I was like, I'll pass. And these black biker shorts, all of this stuff will come together, y'all. Like, it doesn't really, you can't see the vision right now, but the fits are gonna be popping. The fits are gonna be cute. So, I mean, okay, so I'm going to go pour myself a glass of wine. We're going to rock out to this Summer Walker, and I'm going to get to packing. By the way, I know y'all haven't seen my room yet. I was working on it, and then I stopped working on it. So I gotta get back right. I gotta get it together, because this isn't even hung. This mirror is supposed to be hung. It's a work in progress, but we're working on it. Have this little decor right here, super cute. That mirror over there needs to be hung. Those pictures need to be straightened out, and I need to put some more pictures right here. It's gonna be 2 sets of 3. So 3 on this side, 3 on this side. I know y'all haven't seen this part either. Here, let me move this. But have these little candles here, a couple coffee table books here, and a diffuser in this thing right here. But yeah, Nothing special. I'll probably redo all of this here soon, but ignore this. Looks a hot mess. Yeah, this just needs to be taken care of. I need to go ahead and take care of this. That way it can come, the full vision can come to life. Because it's there, but it's not like together. So I need to stop procrastinating and just take care of this. Okay, so I've pretty much got everything laid out. I put all of my outfits together. So everything is pretty much all set and good to go. So all I need to do at this point is just put everything inside of my suitcase. So let me go ahead and do that and knock that out because it is currently like 1:20 and my friends want to leave at 5 a.m. So yeah, let's get this over with.
You should have called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should have called me. Why you never call me?